Listen, you're not behind. You're just on day one. That's it. It's as simple as that. But the problem is, a lot of new creators are comparing their day one to somebody else's year 10. And that comparison will mess you up if you are not careful. Thing is, I see it all the time because I was there. A new creator starts their channel, they're excited, they post their first few videos, and then they start scrolling, right? They start scrolling. They see somebody with clean thumbnails, smooth editing, thousands of views, confident on camera, perfect lighting, and then they look back at their own video and they start thinking, man, why my content don't look like that? But what they don't realize is that you're not looking at their day one. You're looking at somebody else's year 5, their year 8, their year 10. The thing is, what you didn't see was their awkward starts or intros. You didn't see their shaky camera. You didn't see their bad audio. You didn't see the video that got 3 views. The months where nobody subscribed, right? And you gotta understand that every creator you admire started somewhere. They had the videos that they are embarrassed of, right? They had moments where they almost quit. They had seasons where growth was slow or even non-existent, you know. Um, but you didn't meet them back then. You met them at their highlight reel. And here's the dangerous part about that. Comparison doesn't just make you feel bad, it makes you inconsistent. It have you start thinking, maybe I'm not good enough, or maybe this YouTube thing ain't for me, or maybe I should wait until my content get better. And so it's like you stop posting, then you start overthinking every video, you start deleting stuff, or worse, you quit before you really even got started. And the thing is, most creators, they don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because comparison steals their consistency. And so it's like, instead of asking, why am I not there? Ask yourself, am I better than I was last month? Did I post more consistently? Did my editing improve? Did my confidence grow on camera? Because your real competition isn't another creator. Honestly, your real competition is the version of who you were when you almost did not start. And the truth that nobody talks about, year 10 only comes to those people who survived year 1. They didn't get there overnight. They didn't skip the awkward stage. They didn't avoid the low view videos. The only thing they didn't do was quit. And so if you are on day one, day 10, or even year 1, like myself, or I'm kind of like in year 2. Do me a favor, stop comparing your beginning to somebody else's middle. You're not behind, you're just early. And if you stay consistent long enough, one day somebody will be looking at your channel wishing they were there where you're at.